Kia ora, my name is Hikawai Nahu. I enjoy playing sports, playing music, performing arts in kapahaka, making arts, carving and tāmoko, and eating heaps of yummy kai. I am about to complete my Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, conjoint degree from the University of Auckland, majoring in Māori Studies and Environmental Science. In this upcoming year, I hope to pursue my Masters, focusing on uwhi. Uwhi are a flax harakeke woven mat installed into the lakes to shade out and kill off pest invasive weeds. In this research, I also hope to explore how uwhi can provide refuge for our taonga species. I will be pursuing this research alongside Te Arawa Lakes Trust, who I have been working with for the past 2 summers. Te Arawa Lakes Trust have been doing an awesome job cleaning up our lakes. One of the projects include catfishing, and that is the Catfish Killers team. We go out and collect a lot of catfish from our hinaki that are in various lakes in Te Arawa. We catch a lot of catfish and we put back all of our taonga species. Our taonga species include koura, koaro, morihana, kākahi, and things like that. Te Arawa Lakes Trust's efforts have also reached international newsletters like the New York Times. I intend to use the funding for proper dive gear so that I may conduct my research underwater and check to see if the uwhi are doing an awesome job clearing out pest invasive weeds and providing refuge for taonga species. However, the major part of the funding I hope to use is towards wānanga. Wānanga so that our people, our tamariki, can learn how to deal with these problems as well and why it's important to look after our waters. Ko ea katoa ngā kōrero ki ahau. Tēnā koutou katoa.